how to transfer money from UBS bank account. So you can do this by going through with an electronic fund transfer, but you're gonna have to log into your account first. So go ahead and do so. So you can do this in their browser or in their app, but once logged in, you can navigate yourself to the banking service. Now, it's a little blurry, but you should be able to see what we're doing here, and then find the transfer funds options. It's going to ask you to add an external account. So add external accounts for fast, secure, and seamless electronic funds transfers. So you're gonna have to choose your financial institution as well. So you can go ahead and search for that, or you could just choose from the available options over here as well. But once you've chosen, you're gonna have to put in the details of your option and of course the deposit amounts as well. But once you've done that, go ahead with the verifications and authorizations, go ahead and follow up with the process. And then at the end, you will be able to see this, which is a confirmation that you are pretty much done with adding an external account. Then just go ahead and press on start a transfer and then just use your external account to do a transfer from your UBS. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.